how to disable autofill forms on Samsung Internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable autofill forms on Samsung Internet browser. First, open the browser and now click these three lines here in the bottom corner, and after you click on it, click settings and then just scroll down until you find this one, personal browsing data, and here you will find autofill forms. If you want to disable it, just click on it, and as you see, autofill forms have been disabled. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.